Welcome to the channel. This is part 2 of 2. I focus on providing valuable, practical and interesting information that can improve people's lives. Today, let's talk about ASML, the company behind the microchips in our tech. To recap, they make the highest quality EUV lithography machines in the world, the future's printing presses. But what if ASML just disappeared? The devices you have now, hold on to them, but you'll see its technology start to slow. Upgrading to the latest greatest smartphone, laptop or smart refrigerator wouldn't exist. Imagine if everyone were forced to use pagers or flip phones again. Let's dive into this hypothetical scenario and explore the immediate shockwaves, short-term fallout, long-term adjustments, and the far future of tech without ASML. So picture this. ASML is gone. Poof, vanished. The first to feel the impact, TSMC, Samsung and Intel, the big players in chip manufacturing. Without ASML's EUV machines, they can't produce the most advanced chips. Companies like Apple, Google, Amazon and Microsoft are in a serious bind, relying on these chips for their products and services. The entire tech ecosystem is suddenly running on borrowed time, using up the last generation of chips with no clear path to the next. The immediate shock has worn off, but the real fun is just beginning. Demand skyrockets, prices go through the roof, and tech companies are scrambling. Product launches are delayed indefinitely, and we're talking billions in lost revenue. Governments are freaking out, companies are pointing fingers, and consumers are unhappy with the lack of new gadgets. But this situation lights a fire under the industry, pushing companies to pour money into research and development for alternatives to ASML's EUV. The world without ASML's EUV forces everyone to think differently, exploring alternative technologies like nano-imprint lithography and directed self-assembly. These technologies, while promising, are still in their early stages, but with enough investment, who knows what breakthroughs are possible. The door is wide open for a new player to emerge, potentially changing the entire business model of the chip industry. We could see a shift from a competitive landscape to one of cooperation and shared innovation. Fast forward a few years, maybe a decade or two, and the tech landscape looks completely different. ASML's absence forces a hard reset. The many smaller or regional semiconductor companies are forced to step up, leading to multiple players in the chip manufacturing equipment space and new materials like graphene or carbon nanotubes. Quantum computing might be a reality powered by entirely new types of chips, leading to new industries and applications. The absence of ASML could ultimately be the catalyst for a new golden age of technological innovation. The future of tech is unwritten. A world without ASML might sound like a tech doomsday scenario, but it's also an opportunity to rethink and push the boundaries of what's possible. What would you do if you couldn't play with your Xbox, PS5 or had to switch to a flip phone? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on more deep dives into the tech world, and check out the playlists. You might see something that interests you. Until next time, keep exploring the world of tech.